families lived nearby. One was having constant quarrels and it lived quietly and friendly. So being jealous, the wife told her husband that please go and check what is the reason behind their flourished life. So the husband went and started watching. He saw a woman who was wiping the floor in the room, and suddenly something distracted her. So she went into the kitchen. At the same time, her husband entered the room and unknowingly he kicked the bucket of water and the water overflowed. The wife came back and apologized and said that it was her mistake because she didn't put the bucket from aside. So the husband replied that, oh, it wasn't your mistake, it was mine because I didn't notice that. So they both smiled. The man returned home and told her wife that in a house we seek to be right, but in that house each of them take blame on themselves, even take responsibility for it and hold accountable. So by this story we got to learn this thing that in proving ourselves always right will lead to quarrels only, because our reaction is our creation. If you are angry, who created that anger? You created it. If you want to become a happy person, who can create happiness? You can create. So everything you do is based on the choices you make. It's not your parents, not your job, not any relationship or your age. You and only are responsible for every decision and choices you make. You know, nowadays we keep justifying, oh, his fault, her fault, their fault. It wasn't me, it wasn't my fault. Why do we do that? So one of the reasons blame exists in many of our lives is that it makes it easier for us to deal with tough situations, which is false, because the reality is that we don't want to be responsible. We want to shift our responsibilities to someone else so that we will set free, which is wrong. For instance, your mother says to you to go and get this grocery thing from market and you replies like that, oh come on mom, please send someone else, I'm busy. Relatable? Here we have to understand that what is the difference between sharing responsibility and shifting responsibility. This habit will become so much bigger that it will affect your career, it will affect your family and your life. You know, you cannot change circumstances, but you can change yourself. And in doing that, either the situations will become easier for you or you will be strong enough to deal with those tactful situations so easily. All blame is just a waste of time. No matter how much you blame others, but it will not change you. Only thing blame does is to keep the focus off you when you are in need to express your unhappiness through external reasons. So, what you can do? So here I want to give you an example that when you plant a tree and if it doesn't grow well, you don't blame tree or you don't blame yourself. Directly you will think that how can I make right conditions for it? So that's what we have to do in human beings. We human beings have a common desire and that is called happiness. We have to achieve it. How? So there are so many ways, but two ways which can really help you in achieving happiness is that don't get afraid when anyone gives you any kind of responsibility because it has came in your way. You have to do it because every opportunity has a meaning in your life. No matter how much small it is, no matter how much big it is, it will help you. Don't think that it will profit for you, it will bring satisfaction for you. No, just do it, go with the flow. If this has came, a big opportunity will in your way. So second step is trust yourself. When you will trust your soul, then you will not lie, you will not blame or accept your mistakes, and that will really help you to extend your life till happiness. It will tell you how to live a better life, and because you will be better, then your family will become better because you will feel happiness with them. And all is about we want happiness. So do all these and that will make your life beautiful, and you won't be able to go ahead for doing external things, bringing money in your life, prosperity in your life. That is not a true happiness. A true happiness means making true of your desires, and that will help you so much. Thank you.